Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to set up two-factor authentication on SiteGround. I just tap on my Safari browser and purchase the plan for creating an account. And if you want to buy or premium subscription of SiteGround, please go through the link in description how to turn two-factor verification for your SiteGround account. And to turn on two-step verification, go to your profile icon in the top right and of your client area header and click on login and navigate to security two-step verification and download the authenticator app to your smartphone. SiteGround uses the time-based one-time password protocol to operate a two-factor login mechanism to use it with your account. And you can just download the Google authenticator, and if you have any another device, so add your SiteGround account on and confirm successfully activation. Once you have successfully add your SiteGround account to the authenticator app, you will see a code that changes every 30 seconds. Enter the code in the enter security code text and filed and click next of pasting this code. So after a few seconds you will receive an SMS code to provide phone number to complete the activation. So that's all, and hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.